In this video, we will learn how to teach subtraction with borrowing with the help of 10 rupee note and 1 rupee coins. This is Rahul. Rahul loves color. He wants to buy a color box. Rahul's father gave him 25 rupees to buy color box. Rahul went to the shop and asked the price of color box from the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper told him it is for 18 rupees. Now Rahul is not able to understand how he gave 18 rupees from 25 rupees and how much money he will get in returns from the shopkeeper. In this case, we will write 25 rupees in the form of 10 rupee note and 1 rupee coin. Thus, in 25 rupees, there will be 2 10 rupee note and 5 1 rupee coins. 2 10 rupee note represent 2 tens and 5 1 rupee coin represent 5 ones. Now, we will write the price of color box in the form of 10 rupee note and 1 rupee coins. Thus, in 18 rupees, there will be 1 10 rupee note and 8 1 rupee coin. 1 10 rupee note represent 1 tens and 8 1 rupee coin represent 8 ones. Rahul noticed that if he take 1 10 rupee note out of 2 10 rupee note he has and convert it into 10 coins of 1 rupee, then he has a total of 15 coins of 1 rupee. Now Rahul has 1 10 rupee note and 15 coins of 1 rupee. Now Rahul take 8 1 rupee coins from 15 1 rupee coins and add these coins with 1 10 rupee note he already had, and total 18 rupees gave to the shopkeeper and purchased the color box. He noticed he still have 7 1 rupee coins left. So in this way, if Rahul has 25 rupees and he purchased the color box for rupees 18, he will be left with 7 rupees. For more videos, please subscribe. Thank you.